Clickable quick links heading level 2. List with 3 items. Navigation. Navigation link navigate. Navigation link navigate. Out of list with 20. Content link navigate. Start here link navigate. Welcome to ADA compliance and online courses. Syllabus link navigate. Schedule link navigate. Modules link navigate. Discussions link navigate. DIY tasks link navigate to. Journals link navigate to element. Quizzes link navigate to element. Wikis link navigate to element. Virtual office hour link navigate to element. Virtual office. Learner support link navigate to element. Gradebook link navigate to element. Top frame tabs link navigate. Current location link navigate to menu management options. Course menu. Link navigate to Lays course link navigate to element. Lays course of type H3 in 3,326. Out of list clickable navigation landmark Lays course visited link collapse lay. Navigate menu XDD home 1 of 1. Posts 1 of 1. Updates activity updates 6. Retention center 1 of 1. My grades 1 of 1. Calendar 1 of 1. Courses submenu 1 of 3. List Lays course 1 of 1. ADA compliance and online courses summer 2018 1 of 1. A guide to UT online learning 1 of 1. 2017:1 spring. MIME 4980 merged STTP. Entrepreneur 1 of 1. Course News 2017:1 spring, MIME 4900. Clickable quick links heading level 2. List with 3 items. Navigation open global navigation. Navigation link navigate to element navigation link navigate to element out of list with 40 items. Content link navigate to element content of. My announcements link navigate to element. What's new link navigate to element. What's new on. To do link navigate to element. To do on type H2 in 3 million. What's past new link navigate to element. What's new link navigate to element. What's out of list clickable what's new heading level 3. Navigate menu XDD home 1 of 1. Posts 1 of 1. Updates activity up. Retention center 1 of 1. My grades 1 of 1. Calendar 1 of 1. Courses submenu 1 of. List 2017:1 spring. Lays course 1 of 1. Start here Lays course. Clickable navigation.